हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू तनाज़ोन। आपको लगा होगा कि मैं इस चैनल के बारे में भूल चुकी हूँ। इस चैनल पे कोई वीडियोस नहीं आएंगे, बट ऐसा नहीं है। मेरे दिमाग में प्लान्स थे कि मैं गणपति व्लॉग शूट करूँ, बट आई लॉस्ट माई फ़ोन, आई लॉस्ट माई ऑल वीडियोज़ दैट आई शूटेड फॉर माई अनदर व्लॉग ऑल्सो, सो आई लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग. I lost everything, and that's why I couldn't upload a video in month maybe, but here it is a video. So guys, in today's video, as you read from the title, इस वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है? I'm kind of nervous because it's a very sensitive subject, and also I didn't did anything on my channel like this. So if you are a guy, then don't skip the video, please. You are a guy, so don't skip the video. देखते जाओ धोते जाओ. I got my periods, like first period, in when I was in 8th. I wasn't in school, I was in my home. I got high fever and cold for a week, and then I got my period. So I was so shocked at that moment when I got my period. But I started crying, and many things happen around me and I can't. Firstly, मुझे पता था कि कभी ना कभी पीरियड्स आने वाले हैं, बट वो क्या होते हैं. इन मैनी हाउसेज दे डोंट ओपनली टॉक अबाउट दिस, एंड वो मेरे घर में भी हुआ था. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था, बट द मेन प्रॉब्लम वाज not a problem, but still, my mom wasn't there with me in that situation, so it's little bit tough for me, but it's not that tough. But because of my other family members really supported me, and they told me what to do and what you're not gonna do. So after it's normal. After that once, my grandmother is very happy, she cooked my favorite food. She did everything I like on that day, and I'm so happy that she did everything. I'm so happy on that day, and it never feels like it's something wrong with you. It's not, but still, it's our society's mentality. Somehow it's not changed right now. So family supported me on this situation, but when it comes to school, it's not that easy. when you have हमारे स्कूल में सारी लड़कियां थे, मतलब लड़कियां थे, उनके बैग में एक पैड होता ही था. if you are if you have if you have your period or not, बट होता ही था. मेरे भी बैग में था, बट मुझे पता नहीं था उसका यूज़ कैसे स्कूल में बुक के बीच में घुसा के छुपके जाना, एंड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स हैपन विथ एवरी गर्ल विथ एवरी ईयर होता था. बट व्हेन वी आर इन 7th और 8th, आई थिंक, हमारे स्कूल में ऐसे गाइडिंग सेमिनार होते थे इसके बारे में, और बॉयज़ हमें पूछते थे क्या हुआ. तो हमें बहुत गुस्सा आता था उस पॉइंट में, इनको क्यों नहीं है पीरियड्स. बट things we grown up, time passes, and we knew that what is this. And right now they really don't care about that. They did like that, my friends. I know what period is, but I don't want a period in my life, because अगर वो आए तो आए with the pain, and I can't imagine that pain which every woman is going to do in her life. Not whole life, till the hit the dash. यहाँ पे आएगा, जब वर्ड नहीं याद है, till hit dash. सो उसके कारण मुझे पीरियड्स नहीं चाहिए थे, बट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो व्हेन इट्स कम्स टू स्कूल, हमें बहुत बहाने बनाने थे कि यार हमें आज खेलना नहीं है, हमें ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. बहुत पेन होता था, एंड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स गोना हैपन इन योर लाइफ. और अगर नहीं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू 9th और 10th, सबको पता चल जाता था कि हमें ऐसे बहाने दे रहे, तो हाँ यही होगा, तो उनको पता चल जाता था. तो फ्रेंड्स ही बोलती थी जाओ आप रेस्ट करो, जाओ मत आओ, रेस्ट करो. तो ऐसा होता था. बट दैट आर लाइक आर फ्रेंड्स आर रियली ग्रोन अप ऑन द on here are very important for is very important for us. So yeah, they are grown up and they are so grown up. Yeah. सबके लिए फर्स्ट पीरियड स्टोरी वो सो स्कैरी होता है, मेरे लिए भी था. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्कूल, माय सीनियर्स ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड मी, माय फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड मी. बट हमारे क्लास में ऐसे भी बहुत, लाइक मेरे दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, उनको पीरियड नहीं थे उस वक्त. वो हमें बताते थे कि ये करो वे करो, तो मैं उनकी नहीं सुनती थी, बिकॉज उनको आपको तो पीरियड्स ही नहीं है बाबा, मैं आपकी क्यों सुनूँ. तो ऐसा होता था, तो मैं उनको इग्नोर कर देती थी. और वो मेरे से नहीं सुनना है ना तो जाओ उनके पास ही. तो जिनको मेरे जूनियर्स भी थे जिनको पीरियड्स आते थे, एंड दे रियली सपोर्टेड मी ऑन दैट सिचुएशन, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. Like I have that seniors and juniors also, they were really supported. Also so sorry for the delay of the video because I'm in trouble with my mobile is in not good situation for shooting. Also I lost, that's why I lost my many clips which I shooted for the vlog also. But I think I'm gonna make a vlog, but vlog में ऐसे नहीं होता है guys, so sorry about that. But also my BFF's birthday ओवी, उसके लिए मुझे शूट करना था vlog, but I forget about it like always. But when I was first time I met her, it was so like it was so roughly, yeah, normally I met her, and we started spending time together with each other, and the bond has been unbreakable right now. I can't tell you but the bond has been unbreakable. And firstly she was like the child, the small child which you have in your life, they everybody have. So she was like little baby for me, but right now she's so grown up. Right now she is like my mother, and I hate about that, seriously. So I received many comments that do some videos with Aisha and Ovi, but they literally don't have any time. Like I literally don't have any time because my boards are here, my submission, my assignment, my other school, other college work, my anything, my family problems, my personal problems, our individuals problems are taking place right now. But I'm promise you we will shoot a video together, I promise. On February it will out, I guess. तब तक के लिए waiting करते रहो. I was so scary at the moment when I was thinking about this subject to make a video, but at the same time I think I was very creative mind. I have very creative mind at that moment, but I'm gonna post this video, but I am so scary how you react, because it's a very sensitive subject also, and I haven't done anything like this on my channel. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके कुछ तो कमेंट करो, बिकॉज़ मैंने ये वीडियो बहुत घबराते हुए पोस्ट की है, बिकॉज़ मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है ये वीडियो पे कैसे रिएक्शंस आएंगे. आई think I will get some good reactions also, but I know that I get some bad reactions also, so I know, but I have to do that because it's a very new subject for me, which when I was thinking on that. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.